Hey guys, it's Davida with WTI, and this is the Hisense 43-inch 4K TV. We have it mounted on our wall here in the bedroom, and we have loved using this TV because for the price point, you get such good quality. As you can see, the colors are super vibrant, it's crisp, it's clear. We love watching movies and shows on this TV. It also has Roku included, which makes it easy to download all of your favorite apps and to be able to enter those apps and watch your shows and movies. So we love using that feature. Another great thing about this is the sound quality. You really don't need an external speaker to get great sound. We don't have one, and we just use the TV itself, and it's fantastic. So I'll add in a clip here so you guys can hear the sound just on about 32 volume. Overall, it's been a fantastic TV. I would highly recommend it. That's just my point of view.